Okay, good morning guys, it's Ian Coleman from Trader Management Company, 6:20 UK, Monday the 13th of June. Just going to do a few video updates. Mainly going to be talking about wave sequences. Okay, I'm using those wave sequences to try and forecast currency moves going into this week. These aren't the charts or the signals that I use for my trade entry, but it gives me a bias. Okay, so from the wave sequences, I'm looking at correlation between different currency pairs. Obviously dollar bias, maybe a sterling bias or a euro bias. Okay, and this gives me, or I build a picture, especially on a Monday morning or a Sunday night, on where I expect things to go into next week. So here, first shot we're going to look at very plain or vanilla chart, euro dollar weekly. We've got this large channel. Okay, we're engulfing red off the top after a 5-wave sequence up, but here we can see 5 down, 3 up, and then 3 up, another 3-wave correction, and then 5 up. So the pattern is indicating that we should be bearish on this pair now. We also had a engulfing red off the top. By the way, when I'm saying the pattern indicates, this inside pattern indicates that we should be bearish, but this larger pattern, okay, says this is consolidation that should eventually break to the upside. But shorter term, it's saying that we should trade lower. Okay, engulfing red off the top. Last week candle, bearish. Didn't take out the previous week, spiked higher. Not an Inside Harami, not giving us a great deal of indication of where she wants to go, so we break it down a bit further. Again, the move back up was quite aggressive. We had an Inside Harami at the top, sell off. 4 hour, we can see the break here, decent signal on the 4-hour candle, engulfing red going through the break line after initial bounce. Okay, and then 1 hour is where we really start breaking things down a bit more in depth. We had the wedge breakout, okay, down in 5, up in 3, aggressive sell-off. This was after Trichet, okay, off the right shoulder, after Trichet spoke last week. Consolidation, overnight consolidation, then a sell-off down to 261.8%. so it's looking like a 5-wave sequence down. Okay, it's down to 50%. So even if this is a correction or a reversal, we should be seeing some buying pressure from this level at the start of this week. Okay, as you can see, we've had the first wave down, so a reversal up, we'd be looking towards 145.10. remember, this peak of wave 4 is also an attraction for lot of price action here. Okay, here, and it also happens to be 61.8%. so this area between 50 and 61.8% is going to be a good target area for the bounce when we get the bounce. Okay, and when we get to that level, we'll then reevaluate. We'll reevaluate the speed that it's taken to get to that level. Could take all week. Okay, the down move was 1, 2, 3 days. The up move could well be 3 days, and then we'll evaluate it around this sort of level here. Okay, let's just quickly have a look at another pair. Dollar yen, I think we've just got a bounce here. Okay, weekly, large wedge formation. This is third. Okay, I think this is A, this is B, and then we're going to move up into C. Dailies, again, not that aggressive. Wasn't sure whether this was completed in B or whether or not we're going to break the low, but I think we have completed B now. And looking at 4 hour, okay, just a 1, 2, 3 correction here. And hourly, you can see it a bit better, 5 waves. So an expectation of another push down, and should push through 79.70. Okay, good luck guys, I'll do some more videos.